Hi friends, today's hot topic is plastic recycle management. Every day we are using so many plastics in our life. We are throwing away so many times. That is harmful to our earth. We don't throw the water cans and all. We use this water can, do something different way we are using. So today I am going to do with this water can to sofa chair. So are you interested? These are the water can I am going to be used. We are getting this water can from outside the market. So we are taking it as a challenge. We can recycle so many different types of products. The convert like this, and then we can do it like this and all. So many different types of thinking we have, but we are implemented. We do something different, giving this to finishing and all. If some floor is there to apply outer surface, then we can make some colors and all, convert into some good products. So that's very nice. So today we are going to do with the sofa with the plastics bottles. So I am going to attach each and everything like this. So it is a base of this product like this. So then I am used 743. It's really tough. In sofa we have a side armrest, we are using this bottle. We are cutting this place to we get this. Then this is another bottle to put it here. We insert this bottle to here. We can stuff this bottle like this. Bottle. We are cutting this one. We open it. Then we are adding this. So behind that. So now we can't put this. Open this bottle for airtight. Because of only air flowing through this, we can easily tight this. So afterwards we can easily close this. The air will be tight, then bottle also tight. We can fit to this, the strong one. Yeah. We are using 4x4 16 bottle is a sitting chair. Then okay, now it is in a process. Then we get idea for armrest. It is not sufficient to 2. I going to do add one more bottles here, both the sides for armrest. Adding 2 plus 2 bottles together, then 4 bottles, upper 4 and lower 4, and then we are adding together. Totally we are using this 16 bottles. We are fitting back side of the chair. We are going to be fit each and everything. We are adding this for this. It's finished. Two more. I'm going to use third one. So it is very strong. So we are based it. It's very strong. Then we are adding we are adding another one for this. It is addressed, we are adding here. I just fixed by 743 here. So now we get a transparent sofa.